Hi guys, video. Let's replace the camper water pump. This is basically what allows you to take a shower or use the sink water if this has happened to you where it doesn't want to drip anymore, and you've checked that the hole inside where the water comes out is clean, and also that the head of the pump doesn't have a dirty pre-filter. The only thing left is to replace it. I've already taken it apart, and to be honest, it's destroyed inside. There's nothing to do but change it. I've already got a new pump, okay? It's from the same brand. The box is a bit damaged, but let's hope the pump is good. I also got one for myself, so I'll have an extra one. I've already got a new pump, okay? It's from the same brand. The box is a bit damaged, but let's hope the pump is good. All right, I also got one for myself, so I'll have an extra one. Okay, this is the pump. It's a simple one. The same brand as the water system. Right, let's disconnect it. I got one extra, so I bought one for myself too. Which means I'll have a spare. Pump with pre-filter, attach hose, loosen clamp. Remove tube, pre-filter linked below. Upside down, okay? Let's go peel it off. They already give it to you with a pre-filter, and the only thing you need to do is remove this and attach the hose directly to the pump. You see, it's a hassle because when you have to remove the pump, you need to loosen the clamp and take off the tube. I'm using this pre-filter, which you can find linked below in the description on the new camper page, along with all the stuff we've bought for the camper, of course. If you want to know more, you can check out what we've used as well. Now, let's attach it back to the spot where it was fixed before, because luckily, okay guys, the connections are very simple, positive and negative, red and black, so you can't go wrong. If you want to know more, you can refer to what we've used as well. Now let's attach it back to the spot where it was fixed before, because luckily, okay guys, the connections are very simple. Positive and negative, red and black. So you can't go wrong. You can mess up red on red and black on black. It consumes 4A, so make sure to tighten the screws well so they don't come loose. Otherwise, it will spill. Guys, the water is entering the tank. It's filling up and the water is already above the level. So we can go ahead and do a test. Okay? Let's turn on the tip. Be very careful and release the water.
Oh wow, hey guys.
There's a bit of air. Let's let it run for a bit because it needs to empty all the air. More than before. Here guys, a symptom of a pump that isn't working is if you notice there's low pressure. Compared to this, it probably means the pump is going downhill. Let's see if it stops. I suggest the method of using hot water, so also bring in hot water. Closed. Stop immediately. Can you open it a little? Plug and play logically because this one doesn't have an expansion tank. Here. The next idea I have is to install a small expansion tank so as to simply create that gap that the pump does not have to continuously connect and disconnect. Guys, this video was made a bit in a hurry, and I hope it's still useful for your camper. Alright? See you next time. Bye-bye.